everybody, Zoe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 7 amazing projects that you can make with your babies or pets. I'm so excited to show you guys all the ideas comes true with our Galaxy 105 HS. Let's celebrate this magic of Christmas with your little one and fairy friends. Let's see what ideas for your babies first. First one, bandana. It's made of polycotton with around 20 by 20 centimeters, soft, breathable, and resistant to wind. Bandanas are versatile accessories that can be used in various ways. As accessory worn as necktie or headband to add color and personality to outfits, and tied around the head for sun protection in summer, or wrapped around the neck for warmth in cold weather, or used from just wrapping small items or as decorative elements for present packaging. Next one is picture frame. Actually, it's both suitable for your babies or pets. It comes with different sizes, also available in multiple colors. And our frames guarantee impeccable printing results with a luminous insert. It's a great way to display cherished memory with your honey. Third one is baby blanket. For baby shower, newborn arrival, a unique and super soft blanket to call their own, complete with their name and design, are sure to please. And all ages will love to snuggle their blanket at home or on the go. Last one is baby bib, crafted with ultra soft fabric to make sure your baby stays comfortable. This bib sucks up all jewels and speeds to keep you and your baby clean and dry. No more wet clothes. Then let's talk about pets. First one is dog tag. It's so important that your dog has identification on them. That way, if they get out or get lost, they can get home. This tag is very easy to make and allows double-side printable. Next one, dog bandana. Some dogs doesn't like to wear clothes, so a great compromise is a fun bandana. It's made of quality polyester fabrics, and it's machine washable in cold water and color lasting brightly. One really easy project that you can do is a leash. Super easy to print and easy to operate with your thumb. It's a really cute way to show off your personality and your pet's personality. Make this Christmas unforgettable for babies and puppies with our blanks and bring joy to our family member. Reach our sales and offer your customers something truly special this holiday season. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.